How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do a veiny forearm workout for beginners. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. So first exercise we're going to do is going to be forearm curls. So just like this. "30, keep going. "50, perfect. Quick little break. We're then going to do forearm extensions. So we're just going to get our hands like this and we're going to lift up. "30 reps, perfect. Quick little break. We're then going to get our hands and squeeze really, really tight for 20 seconds. Perfect. Quick little break. We're then going to do hammer curls. Get your hands like this. Quick little break. We're then going to do squeezes. Perfect. So end of video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't